was paving way for an exclusive women's unit called the Reserve Force. In fact, a total of 1,025 women personnel are set to be recruited in the battalion. The battalion, that will be headed by a senior commandant rank officer, will undertake duty locations, possibly in Delhi NCR, so they can be easily mobilized as and when the situation demands. Currently, female personnel constitute around 7% of a force that accounts for 1.80 lakh personnel. Shivani Mishra, my colleague, joins me this.
Good morning to you. Understanding the fact that now the women percentage in the force will be increased by this battalion entering, and its successful result will lead to such more battalions of women category getting officer. Similarly, they will be placed in Delhi NCR, and of course on the demand they will be moved to different location in different states of country. Now the Ministry of Home Affairs has taken this entire move to increase the women empowerment in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Henceforth January and then onwards, final training will also be headed by senior officials. Similarly, out of those 1,025 women, there will be different section. Those will be trained differently as well, and a common training program will also be done with all of them, and also with the full result of this. And as we were talking, the number of the percentage of women in the force is just 7%, and henceforth such battalions will lead to the number of percentage of women getting high rise and increased in the force. And henceforth this battalion has been offered by the Minister of Home Affairs. After months, those will also be training women, understanding their body types, their training purposes and their specialities as well. So of course this is going to be the first exclusive team of 1,025 women. Those will be made. Selection of these women
Understand this particular move. What it would also do is really set a larger example that the armed forces would like to keep in mind in terms of what they've always been vocal about, inclusivity of women in the forces.
Fighter jets are being operated by women as well, but the number and the percentage is bit small, and henceforth such battalions will motivate not only the Ministry of Home Affairs but the entire Indian Defence Force to bring in more such women, give them specialized training, train them from for special to bring women empowerment in their particular ministry and the forces. On the other side, we have heard that how the Indian Defence Ministry is doing well globally, and to reach it on a global level, we will need such women forces, women categories, different battalions, and also different forces of women in the security forces or also in the defense forces.
Right, Shivani. Thank you for drawing things into perspective. And like you rightly said, it will set that larger impact. But for the moment, we leave the conversation.